Hello! Programs on conditions. And to carry on the series of condition-based program, here comes the application program number 2. This question says, there's someone called Surya. Surya purchased a guitar and a tabla. That means Surya is very fond of music. Upon selling his old SLR digital camera. Okay, input the cost of the guitar and tabla and the selling price of his camera. Print whether he incurred profit or loss along with the amount. Also print the profit or loss percentage. You know how to calculate the profit percent? It says profit by total cost price into 100 and loss percent is calculated by loss by total cost price into 100. And whenever there is a division involved, we choose the data type as double, and on the calculation section we ensure that there is at least one double present in the calculation of division. Otherwise the division ends up in an integer division, and integer division doesn't give the numeric part. So that was the theory of it. Now time for you to pause the video, try for your own answer, and after doing your own answer you can come and see the answer that I am going to show. Okay, wait. Yes, here comes the answer. This answer is for explanation and understanding purpose, but you must write the answer on your own. Otherwise, you will not be able to write your own programs. So, let us see how the program is moving ahead. There are variables declared. Cost price of guitar, CPG, cost price of tabla, CPT, and selling price of digital camera, SPDC. The profit will be stored in profit, loss will be stored in loss. But note that either profit or loss, any one of them will become active. Both cannot be active, right? So the program goes in towards asking the value of cost price of guitar in CPG, cost price of tabla in CPT, and the selling price of the digital camera in SPDC. Now, if the total cost price, that means CPG plus CPT, the total cost price is less than the sell price, what will that mean? That the person is going through profit because the selling price is more and the cost price is less. How will you calculate the profit? This much you should be able to do. Profit percentage. Now you see profit is an integer taken, and CPG, CPT, they all are integers. Did I take profit as an integer or was it taken as double? Oh yes, profit was taken as double. Therefore, this is not necessary. This was necessary had profit been integer. So, integer by integer will cause a loss in the fractional part. That is why we should ensure that the division includes some integer somewhere. No, it should include some double somewhere, right? So, here we finally come to the calculation part and then the printing. Now, in the printing, you see either profit zone is getting printed or the loss zone is getting printed. Even they will be equals. Just imagine if the cost price and the sell price ends up in an equal value, which one do you think will happen? Will profit part happen or will loss part happen? I will show that part also to you because that is very important in understanding the if condition. So now time to run the program. For that I will right click, I will create an object, then I will say OK, and then I will click on the object and then click on main. Enter the cost price of guitar. So let me choose the cost price of guitar to be 5,000 and the cost price of tabla also to be 5,000 and the selling price of digital camera to be 12,000. Let me see, the digital price of the selling price of digital camera is 12,000. So he is going through profit or loss. Check it out. Surya incurred a profit and the profit percent was this amount. You can check the maths for yourself. Now time to show another example. Another example can be like cost price of guitar is 6,000. Cost price of tabla is also 6,000. Oh, yes, now it's 6,000. And the selling price of digital camera is 10,000, right? Oh, so you incurred a loss and the loss percent is coming as recurring. loss percent. And as I had told you a little while ago, I will also show you a case when there is neither profit nor loss. Suppose cost price of guitar is 6,000 and the cost price of tabla is 4,000 and the selling price of digital camera is 10,000. Which part will happen? Please think and answer, because the moment I'll press enter, the answer will pop up. Do you think the profit part will happen or the loss part will happen? Think, think, think. I press enter now. Surya incurred loss of 0 and the loss percent is also 0. So time for you to do the thinking. Okay.